Yeah, it needs some.
You need some, you can put some on the change.
Do you want to put some in it?
Yeah, if you need some, nothing to run it low on oil. It's not good.
Check it. Well, we don't really have any oil. That's what I was telling you.
530 in there for now.
Yeah, that's true.
Because it ain't gonna hurt, man. It's not like it's gonna.
Yeah, this light back here ain't working. I'm gonna check the bulb. I just fixed the wire. It's probably a blown bulb. Yeah, that's a tiny bulb too. Like I told you, I might just go and put them Walmart LED ones. Do we even have a bulb like this? Tiny little socket.
You might have to look on the two in the shed. There's some in the shed on that door.
Yes,
Yeah, they're probably in the shed.
well, let me try it now. Maybe I can see if it's got a bad ground or anything. Let's see. There it goes. Yep. Alright. So that was easy fix. Pretty neat how they put bulbs, you know, lights in these old dogs. There. How low was it? Yeah, we're gonna have to adjust that neutral. See, I guess these aren't lights; they're just reflectors.
Yeah.
It looks pretty cool, though.
Mm.
Damn, this thing's a beast. And then mufflers sound better since you put them on, you know, up higher. I think they were almost vibrated off, wasn't it?
Yeah, see, that ain't fell off because they
can't.
They can't fall off, no. That should be good.
All right.
Should be enough in there
Let me take it on. Man, this one thing's for sure. This tractor's built for big fatties like me. Ah. That's supposed to be neutral. That's supposed to be neutral.
Well, that's supposed to be neutral?
That's why. That's why I can't get it on the lift by myself.
Yeah, that's neutral?
Yeah, and look where I am. Yeah. See if there's a lot of slop on this linkage. Just watch. Oh, the brake won't let it go. See? See all that?
Yeah, there's nothing you can do with that.
can't tighten that bolt. Oh,
Oh, tight. Yeah, there's a bolt in there. We can probably tighten it.
that's what I'm wondering. Cause see it? Look at all the slop.
What's that? Okay, that's supposed to be neutral right there.
Cause feel it? That's why it's so hard to control. And that's why he was complaining about, remember?
They lined up, the teeth are lined up right there.
I think it's if we can tighten this linkage. That main bolt.
That's spring loaded in there. So
Yeah, so tight. If you tighten it a little bit,
let me get a
it's probably a ½ inch.
half or 9/6.
Oof. It lives, Spiky.